different soy sauces and different things. This is a very sweet soy sauce. I just tried it. Very yummy. This one, I couldn't figure out what it is. Google Translate wasn't very good. But let's taste it. This is like a deep soy sauce for Chinese dishes. This one has taste of umami. Look at all the different colors also. Definitely umami, yeah. Very good. This is a darker soy sauce, you can tell from the colors. Yeah, it's a dark soy sauce, very salty. And this one, not as dark as that one. Let's see. Citrusy, this might be a ponzu-style. Oh, very good. For meats and stuff. So tasty.